Hello, fellow math solvers. Welcome to Raphael Math Room. In this video, want to solve for the Math Olympiad algebraic functional equation, which is f of x plus f of minus x plus f of 1 by x is equal x plus 1. Then what's the value of f of x? So at first we can take f of x plus f of minus x plus f of 1 by x is equal 1 x plus 1 as the equation number 1. So now at first we take the x is equal minus x. Then the function of f of x is equal to f of minus x. Now we are replace the value of f of minus x into the equation number 1. Then we'll get f of minus x plus f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal 1 minus x, and we take this as the equation number 2. Alright, after that, now we'll take the value of x again as a 1 by x. Then the value of f of x is totally equal to f of 1 by x. Alright, after that we can write that f of 1 by x plus f of minus 1 by x plus f of x is equal to 1 plus 1 by x. Then we can take this equation as equation number 3. We are just replacing the taking value in this equation number 1 and getting now new equations. So now we'll take x as a 1 minus 1 by x. Then f of x will be f of minus 1 by x. So we just replace that in the equation number 1 value. Then we'll get f of 1 by x plus f of 1 by x plus f of minus 1 by x is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. So now we can take it as equation number 4. Alright, so after that we can write, or we can take let a as a equal to f of x and b is equal to f of minus x and c is equal to f of minus 1 by x and d equal to f of minus 1 by x. Oh, that can be plus, then it will be c equal f of 1 by x. So now look attentionally in here, we can write a plus b plus c is equal to x plus 1. This is the value of, or simplify value of equation number 1. We are now write b plus a plus d is equal to 1 minus x. We can take it as equation number 2, and c plus d plus a is equal to 1 by plus 1 by x. This will be the equation number 3, and we can write d plus c plus b, it will be minus 1 of 1 by x. It can be equation number 4. So in here we'll minus this equation 1 and 2 and also minus equation 3 and 4. After minus that, this a and this a will be cancelled out, this b be cancelled out. Then we'll get from equation 1 and 2 c minus d is equal to 2x, because here 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. Also c and d will be cancelled out. Also 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. Then we'll get 3 and 4 equation minus a minus b is equal to 2 by x. Alright, now we can take this c minus d equal to x as equation number 5 and a minus b equal 1 by 2. So now we can add the equation 1 plus equation 3. Then we'll get like 2a plus b plus 2c plus d is equal to x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x. Now here we can write adding the equation number 5 plus 6 equation. Then we'll get the value of d is equal to c minus 2x and the value of b equal a minus 2 by x. Just we are replacing the value of the getting value and taking the single value of equation b and d. Now we are replacing the value of b and d in this equation. Then we'll get 2a plus b plus 2c plus d equal x plus 1 plus 1 by x. Then we just replace this in this equation. Then we'll get 2a plus a minus 2 by x is. Now we'll replace this b's value in this equation. Then we'll get 2c plus the value of d in here, c minus 2x. We're just replacing this in this and in this. Then we'll get the value like x plus 2 plus 1 by x. Then the equation will be in here 3a plus 3c minus 2x plus minus 2x is equal to x plus 2 plus 1 by x. Alright, so guys, if you like this in here, but the equation not can be solved anymore. So here we can write like this things, 3a plus 3c equal to 3x plus 1 3 by x plus 2. The equation will be now simplify more than before. So here we can take like a plus c is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2 by 3 as the equation number 7. So now we can easily write the a plus b plus c is equal to x plus 1. Perfect. Now here we can write a plus a bracket a minus 2x plus c is equal to x plus 1. Why we write this? Because this is the b value we get from in here the left side, so right side, this we are replacing in here. So now the equation will be 2a minus 2 by x plus c is equal to x plus 1. So after that we can write here a plus bracket a plus c minus 2 by x is equal to x plus 1. Now we have to write the value of a plus c, which get previous, so we are just replacing that. So here if you look carefully, this is the value of a and c, a plus c with the equation number 7. So we are replacing in here. Then we'll get x plus 1 by x plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by x is equal to x plus 1. Then this x and this x will be cancelled out from both sides. Then we can now write the simplify equation a minus 1 by x is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So here we can write the value of a equal 1 by x plus 1 by 3. So at the first we take f of x equal a. So now we can write f of x equal a equal 1 by 3 plus 1 by x. So guys, this is our solution and the value of f of x. Hope you are guys enjoying